Hey, there's a lot of wind, a lot of wind here. There's a lot of wind, as you can see. The desert is on the move. Likunta litambula oba lidda simanyi liva Saudi, UAE lidda Saudi, simanyi gye liraga. So there's a lot of wind here. The desert is on the move. The desert is on the move. Wow. Okay, that has passed. As you can see, the skies are not as blue as usual. Let me leave it. There it is, there it comes. Let me get out of the way. Yeah, that is the desert on the move. Surprisingly, yesterday it kind of drizzled. So let's see where it's heading to. That is actually how the desert creates futures. Dunguweli tuwelikula futures ibizayo zituka nilikungana reaches somewhere forms some kind of futures, as you've seen in the previous videos. Yeah. There it is for you. There's a lot of wind, if you can see the trees here. A lot of wind. The desert is on the move. Where to? I have no idea. If you look at the skies, it's like as if it's gonna fall, but it has been falling in some parts of the UAE, so I don't know. But the desert is on the move. There's a lot of wind here. Waliwo empewo mpitiri kwekunta. Ddungu liri mu kutambula oba lidda wansi. You can actually think that the clouds have come from up and they are down. Someone who's seeing me from a distance can think that I'm standing in the clouds, huh? Because if you look up, then you look down. Yeah, look up, then you look down. You're basically going to see what is happening. Jamuali aweddeyo. The traffic of the desert on the move is a bit over, but the wind is still too much. There's a lot of wind. There's a lot of wind. Rain wants to fall, but it's already falling in some parts of the UAE, some parts of Abu Dhabi, some parts of Sharjah, Dubai. Already it's falling. There it comes again. Ddungu liri era likomyewo litambula liva eno lidda eri wano olweggulo kyadisanga nga liva eno gye liraga ate nga lidda eri nze linsanyusa wabula. Leero lidda eno. Today it's heading this side. It's heading this direction. In the evening you might find it heading to where it's coming from. That's what surprises me and what amazes me. me. I think that's why it never even gets finished from where it's coming from, because basically right now it's heading to this side, and in the evening you might find it heading to this side. So you ask yourself, what's going on? Yeah, it has started drizzling. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. It's been drizzling since last night. It has been drizzling since last night. So it has been drizzling since last night. So it's been drizzling since last night. There's a lot of wind. Look at that flag. There's a lot of wind. There's a lot of wind. A lot of wind. That's why this fine dust is on the move. It's on the move. It's on the move. See the trees. There are trees in the desert. Mulimu emiti. Mulimu emiti. Mulimu emiti. You cannot say that mulimiti. You cannot say that mulimiti. Where it's heading is an hour. There it comes again. Yeah, there it comes. It's heading that way. In the evening time, you'll find it where it's coming from. That's about the desert. Damn. There it comes. You can think that I'm standing in the clouds. You may think that I'm standing in the clouds. You see me from the distance. Yeah. Okay, I have to get out of here because it's turning into a sandstorm, so I have to get out of here. Guys. Gotta get out of here. Got to get out of here. I love you guys. Peace. Stay tuned for more. Hey. Yeah, the desert is amazing.